now for something that I've been holding back for a little bit of time now. Introducing iInform. Play that intro. This is a whole new stage of my YouTube creating. At the beginning of this year, I decided to change the whole direction of my channel. If you are new here, welcome or welcome back to Grint's Info Stop, where I give you all of the information about tech you would ever want to know. I have taken down most of my older videos, but I'm still so thankful for all of the love and support that I have had throughout my YouTube journey. Originally, I only wanted Apple products to be the main focus of this channel, but I am still open to all other tech companies. So with my name change, I'm taking this channel to a whole nother level. So I hope that you stick along throughout my YouTube journey. All of my videos on this channel are the highest quality, and I make them to be understandable for everyone. So all the way to super advanced users to even the beginner users. So just a reminder, if you want to see videos just like this, then consider subscribing and leaving a like. It is greatly appreciated and it helps out my channel a whole lot. In the past, I did create videos about theater tips, but I really wasn't super interested in making videos about that, so that's why I changed the direction of my channel. So just to let all of you know about my channel consistency and my schedule. So I did only want to make videos about every Friday, but with having about 3 months now of making videos, I did see that that was a little bit of a problem. So with tech changing all of the time so quickly, it is a little bit hard to make videos only every single Friday. But you will still be seeing videos every single week. I want to only bring you guys the highest of content. And so if I post it at a different day, it's probably because it is a longer video. I know this was a super quick video, but I wanted to tell you all of the big news. I hope all of you enjoyed this video, and thank you for stopping in.